I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Divi. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Action ClickUp. Give here ClickUp API token. So go to ClickUp site and click on Setting. Apps. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose team. Choose space. Choose folder. Choose list. Map the respective fields. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to ClickUp site. And you can see the data came successfully in ClickUp site. Thanks for watching.